Will artificial intelligence take your job? Perhaps, but there are some exciting opportunities emerging in entirely new fields. If you want to learn more, stay tuned in this video where I'll tell you about the 10 unexpected jobs AI is creating right now. Instead of wondering where job opportunities are heading, the key question is how we should adapt and train within our professions to capitalize on the opportunities AI is generating. Despite the negative perceptions some people have about AI, not only regarding its impact on the job market, but also due to fears of its potential uncontrolled development. Not everyone recognizes the new landscape taking shape on the horizon. The conversation about AI and the labor environment is naturally dominated by the negative aspects. After decades of automation that eliminated jobs in manufacturing, those working in the service sector are concerned about being replaced by robots. However, every technological change creates jobs as much as it destroys them. Current AI, which relies on vast datasets to create text, audio, and video, is no exception. What may be surprising is the type of jobs it will create. Just as we have witnessed the creation of millions of jobs we couldn't have imagined a decade ago, as AI continues to evolve, new job titles will emerge. We've learned to expect the unexpected. Therefore, according to Forbes, here are 10 of the new jobs that will arise. Number 10. AI ethicist. Concerned about the ethical implications of artificial intelligence? If so, the role of an AI ethicist might be the perfect fit for you. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it's crucial to ensure that it is developed and used responsibly and ethically. This is where AI ethicists come into play. AI ethicists are professionals dedicated to ensuring that AI is developed and employed in an ethical manner. Their role involves identifying the ethical standards that should guide the design, development, and deployment of intelligent systems. They also work to uphold fundamental human rights and protect the autonomy of every individual. Their work is of paramount importance because AI has the potential to significantly impact our lives, both positively and negatively. For instance, AI can be employed to enhance healthcare, education, and transportation. However, it can also be used to create autonomous weapons or engage in discriminatory practices. That's why the presence of AI ethicists is so crucial to ensure that AI is harnessed for the greater good. Number 9. AI trainer or teacher. To make AI systems truly effective, they need proper training, and this is where AI trainers step in. AI trainers are responsible for instructing AI systems, which involves data selection and preparation, the development of training algorithms, and the oversight of the learning process. Without AI trainers, AI systems wouldn't be able to learn how to perform complex tasks, such as driving a car, diagnosing diseases, or translating languages. AI trainers can be involved in a wide array of projects, and the specific tasks of an AI trainer depend on the industry and the project at hand. For instance, in the healthcare field, an AI trainer might educate a system to diagnose diseases. To do this, the AI trainer would select a dataset of medical images, such as X-rays and scans, containing disease examples. Then, they would craft a training algorithm to enable the system to learn how to identify these illnesses. Number 8. AI Robotic Process Automation or RPA Manager. This one might sound a bit more technical, but in today's world, it's incredibly vital. Imagine if your company could automate invoice processing so your employees could focus on more critical tasks, or if it could automate customer service to ensure your customers get assistance quickly and seamlessly. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world, and robotic process automation, or RPA, is one of the most significant trends driving this transformation. AI RPA managers are at the forefront of this revolution. They are responsible for automating your company's processes through software robots. These robots are like superheroes. They can swiftly and efficiently handle repetitive and tedious tasks. As an AI RPA manager, your role entails designing, implementing, and overseeing these robots to save your company time and money. Essentially, you're the one ensuring that your company operates like a well-oiled machine. These robots can free up your employees to concentrate on more crucial tasks, potentially boosting your company's productivity. Number 7. AI Customer Experience Specialist. The role of an AI Customer Experience Specialist, or AI CX Specialist, is emerging as a response to the growing significance of artificial intelligence and customer experience. An AI CX Specialist job centers around personalizing customer experiences through data analysis and predicting customer needs. For instance, automating repetitive tasks in customer service. AI CX specialists can use AI to address frequently asked questions or resolve basic issues. They also innovate new ways of customer interaction. For instance, instance, using AI to create chatbots or virtual assistants that can engage with customers naturally. The work of an AI CX specialist is within a swiftly expanding field. As AI becomes more sophisticated, the demand for AI CX specialists is on the rise. Number 6. AI linguist or NLP specialist. Have you ever felt frustrated when asking a system like ChatGPT a question and the response is somewhat unhelpful? The solution to this might lie with AI linguist and NLP specialists. The role of an AI linguist or NLP specialist is a new job emerging due to the growing importance of artificial intelligence in natural language processing. These professionals are tasked with developing the technologies that are transforming how we interact with language. They are the language wizards, capable of making computer systems understand and generate human language naturally. Just like in the movie Arrival, where Amy Adams tries to teach extraterrestrials to comprehend human language. AI linguist and NLP specialists often have backgrounds in linguistics, computer science, or AI. It's also essential that they have experience in designing and developing NLP solutions. Number 5. AI virtual reality architect. Can you imagine using virtual reality for advanced surgery, infrastructure design and maintenance, agricultural management, military training, and countless simulations? If so, the role of an AI virtual reality architect might be the perfect fit for you. AI virtual reality architects are responsible for designing, implementing, and managing AI solutions for VR. This encompasses the use of AI to automatically generate VR content, personalize the VR experience, and make VR more realistic and immersive. In practical terms, they can create VR systems that allow surgeons to practice complex procedures, enable engineers to design and test infrastructure, assist farmers in efficiently managing their crops, provide realistic training environments for the military, and allow professionals across various sectors to engage in simulations for learning and skill enhancement. And these are just a few of the many possible applications of AI in VR. Number 4. AI security analyst. Can you picture being able to thwart a cyber attack that could have cost a company millions of dollars, stopping it before the damage is done? That's the essence of a new role of an AI security analyst. They are tasked with analyzing the cybersecurity risks associated with AI. This means they're responsible for keeping our computer systems secure in an increasingly digitized world. For instance, an AI security analyst at a major financial services company used AI to detect an impending cyber attack. The attack could have stolen millions of dollars from the company, but the AI security analyst was able to halt it in its tracks. Can you imagine contributing to a safer world for everyone? Number 3. AI data privacy manager. Within the realm of security, there's a crucial area we must keep a vigilant eye on: data. If we failed to learn from the 2016 Cambridge Analytica scandal, it's high time we do. Ensuring privacy, security, and transparency isn't just essential, it's existential. AI data privacy managers are entrusted with safeguarding the privacy of data used in AI systems. Their role is to ensure that your personal data remains safe and protected, even when employed to train and fuel AI models. For instance, an AI data privacy manager might use AI to identify and remove sensitive personal data from datasets utilized in AI systems, control access to personal data in AI systems, and detect data breaches. AI holds the potential to revolutionize the way we safeguard data privacy. Number 2. Algorithm forensic analyst. Algorithms are everywhere today thanks to AI, and they play a crucial role in the work of algorithm forensic analysts. These experts use algorithms to assess whether evidence in criminal investigations can be tied to specific individuals. By employing forensic algorithms, investigations become faster and more objective. AI systems can spot inappropriate content, detect malicious software and images, and identify key evidence, streamlining data analysis for investigators. AI algorithms excel at processing vast datasets, uncovering patterns and anomalies often missed by human eyes. Predictive analysis, another AI tool, empowers proactive measures against potential threats, thwarting attacks before they occur. In forensic medicine and pathology, algorithms are invaluable for data analysis, pattern recognition, and decision-making. As AI advances, algorithm forensic analysts will play an increasingly vital role in ensuring the accuracy and efficiency of digital investigations. Number 1. AI augmentation specialist. In the evolving landscape of the hybrid workplace, humans will collaborate alongside AI as coworkers, presenting a unique set of challenges. This is where the AI augmentation specialist steps in, a professional responsible for facilitating and seamlessly integrating human work with artificial intelligence, or AI. Instead of lamenting the potential job displacement, consider adapting to harness AI's capabilities for optimizing your tasks. AI augmentation specialists are the architects of user-friendly AI solutions tailored to meet the needs of human workers. Moreover, they play a crucial role in educating and training human workers on how to harness AI effectively. Embracing their expertise ensures a synergistic relationship between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence, fostering a more productive and efficient workplace. That's it. Are you ready to take the next step into the future? If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.